Hey people, so yesterday I was watching this Telugu movie called Vijeta that stars Kalyan Dev and Murli Sharma, and like I was watching it on Max Player because it's been a while since it released. And oh my god, I mean, like among the the last time I had really, like, I found a Telugu movie to be really awesome was when I saw Bommarilo, starring Genelia D'Souza and Siddharth, and but this particular movie Vijeta, yeah, normally one would talk of chemistry between the lead pair, but here it is the father son magic that is. I mean, you'll need to watch this movie to know, what a good script actually is all about. No, people, see, I'll be honest. Since I have this review channel, there are times when, it's like traumatic to be, saying nice things about some film that one doesn't like. But here it is like, I mean, Murli Sharma, the actor. I mean, I think he's one of the most underrated actors we have in the industry today. I mean, he's acted in quite a few Hindi movies also, and here Kalyan Dev. I mean, uh, it was, nobody can ever believe that it's his first film. I mean, because. It's been such a, like, layered performance. I mean, honestly, that the very movie, like, it's a complex role, like, in terms of it's not something that normally, honestly, I'll be honest, a lot of these Telugu movies are a lot of song and dance, and it's it doesn't they are not particularly cerebral, but this movie is, the finer nuances, of a father son equation have been portrayed. And man, and Murli Sharma, I mean, I feel here, if only there is, if the government is able to, like, certain actors deserve a national award. And I would say, after a performance like that, it's, the whole film. And Rakesh Shashi, he's the director, writer director, I guess. And man, what a story. So uh, I really could continue speaking and it would be like I'm just gushing, but truly, people, if there's one movie during this entire lockdown that you should watch, one Telugu movie that you should watch, it will be this movie called Vijeta, because much like the title, everything about this film a a Vijeta, is a winner. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.